To get started, head over to the Salesforce AppExchange. In the search bar type, Files Downloader. You'll see Files Downloader appear in the AppExchange listing. Click on it to open the app details page. Once you're ready, click Get It Now. Choose whether you're installing it in a production org or a sandbox environment. A quick detail check will pop up, review your information and confirm. Then, log in using your Salesforce credentials. Now choose your access level. Select from admin only, all users, or specific profiles depending on who should have access to the app. Click Install, and then hit Continue on the confirmation box. The installation will now begin. Once it's complete, you'll receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Now head back into Salesforce, open the app launcher, and search for Files Downloader. You'll see the app appear, and just like that, you're ready to start downloading files instantly from your records. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like, and don't forget to check the AppExchange link in the description to start your free trial today.